Today I had a go at doing a test piece for my lightbox. I cut out about 6 slides, and yeah, it was a lot more tricky than I thought it would be. The card was a lot more difficult to cut, so I had to go over with a Stanley knife quite a few times. The process was a little bit difficult. It reminded me of doing a lino print when you have to remove negative space. So I had to think a lot about the background and what you'd be able to see with the different layers that I was doing. So I won't know exactly how things will turn out until I line it up and project the light behind it. I've only cut out the first 3 layers. So when I've got some more time, I will cut out the other ones and line them up and project light. Moving forward, I need to think about the type of card I'm using, as you get many different thicknesses. There's all sorts of things that you can do by creating depth. I suppose I can see this when I'm using the light source behind it. So I want to maybe try and create some depth with layering the actual slide. For example, in printing, you could use just 2 colours, one for the highlight and one for the shadow. The same thing would work with using an extra piece of paper on top of the actual slide. So I could actually add some tracing paper just to create that shadow, which will create a little bit of depth on the actual slide that I'm working on.